Brad Williams, XL Prime. This will be quick. Conditional formatting. Any number greater than 93. B6 is greater than G4. That's it. Hit F9. You can see 57, anything above 57. As I talked in the previous tutorial, we were less than. We used a less than and a greater than, I think. Here, just use greater than, or you can hit less than. You can hit even equal. You can play around with this all you want. Read over here if you need to. You can hard code this. Remember the absolute values. Why are we using absolute values? There's no requirement to hard code G4 into the rule. To create a rule with greater flexibility and interactivity, you can use another cell as a variable, as we've done in the past. For starters, if you want to use G4 as an input, you can use the following formula. Then you can adjust the value in cell G4 to anything you want. Well, guess what number that is? That's G4. We're just referencing G4 for more flexibility. Why? You don't want to hard code this number. The reason being, this is sort of why I use the F9 just to show you that if you need to make changes down the road, you do it in one place and you can update this in a flash. Otherwise, you have to go to conditional formatting and you have to change it internally inside conditional formatting. Save yourself some time and efficiency and build a quasi filter. It'll save you a lot of time. Brad Williams. See you soon.